Good morning, friends. Today is December 2nd, 2020. Please write the date and number corner at the top of your page. Press pause until you have completed that job. Our first job for today is looking at the calendar. So when I look at the calendar today, again, it's a new month. We are always going to write a blank, and then we'll say that what the picture is. So the object, a blank, is and then we're going to say what three-dimensional shape. So yesterday we said a jar is a cylinder. All right, I'm going to turn over today's card. Today is a box of crayons. So you will write a box of crayons is and you tell me what three-dimensional shape a box of crayons is. A box of crayons is and what three-dimensional shape? Press pause until you have completed your sentence on number 1. Our second job today is looking at the clock. So today we are looking at the time 8 o'clock a.m. So friends, we are going to think about what do we usually do around 8 o'clock. Now some of you might do it a little after 8 o'clock, but typically probably many of you are waking up around 8 o'clock a.m. So your sentence will say, I wake up at 8 o'clock a.m. and you are going to draw the clock. So draw the clock and then I blank at 8 a.m. Press pause until you finish job number 2. All right, our third job is representing how many days we've been in school. So yesterday we were in school for 50 days. If I add one more, now I have 51. So today you are going to represent the number 51. When you represent the number 51, you are writing an addition equation to equal 51, a subtraction equation to equal 51, tally marks to show 51, coins that have a value of 51 cents, and the 10 sticks and 1 blocks to show 51. Press pause until you are done with activity number 3. And your last job, job number 4 for today, is starting at 43. Write your numbers backwards to 11. So start at 43 and write your numbers backwards down to 11. That is your last job for today. Great job, friends!